안녕! Hey, how are you? I've got a good news from my friend in US just a few weeks ago. She gave birth to a baby girl. It was very impressive. I've met her at Tennessee like 9 years ago, 2010. I was kind of exchange student and she was really nice to me. We hung out together, going to fish, playing the game, and make some food. I couldn't give a gift for her because I'm in here, Korea, and she is in US. So I bring the recipe of seaweed soup, miyeokguk, as a present. It's very good for the meal after childbirth, and it's the symbol of birthdays for Koreans. In Korea, women who have just given birth receive postnatal care and eat seaweed soup. Seaweed is rich in calcium, which is an essential substance for the formations of bones and teeth, and iodine, which is an essential substance for the formations of thyroid hormones. And seaweed assists in womb contraction and prevents bleeding. I should have made this soup just in front of my friend. Sorry, Megan. Please watch this. Okay, let's set the table. You will need half cup of dried seaweed, 7 ounces beef brisket, 1 tablespoon soup soy sauce, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, 2 tablespoons sesame oil, 5 cups of water, and salt. First, marinate the beef with soup soy sauce and minced garlic. And prepare the seaweed. I got the seaweed cut in small. Isn't it cute? And it's convenient as well. But if you got the seaweed, normal size one like this, then tear the seaweed by hands into bite size. It's gonna expand like 5 times bigger than this when it was put into the soup. There's some interesting story about why Korean people tear the seaweed, not cut with scissors. It's kind of superstitious, but we love it though. Korean ancestors thought the long seaweed is a symbol of baby's lifespan, so they didn't cut it with scissors or knife. Believe or not. Next, in a large saucepan, heat the sesame oil over high heat. When the oil is hot, add the marinated beef and stir fry until outsides are browned. Pour the 5 cups of water and put dried seaweed and bring to boil over high heat. When it boils, reduce the heat to low and season the soup to taste it with soup soy sauce and salt if necessary. Cook for 20 more minutes. Turn off the heat and put sesame oil on it. Finally, it's done! I'm going to have lunch with this, so I prepared the cooked rice and kimchi. 잘 먹겠습니다. Sesame oil makes this soup savory, and I love the texture of the seaweed. It's very soft. Actually, my birthday was last week and I already had this seaweed soup, but it's very common soup in Korea, so I can enjoy all the time. Today we make seaweed soup, miyeokguk. If this recipe is helpful, then thumbs up and subscribe my channel, please. Okay, see you next time. Bye. 안녕.